In this video, we will talk about the administrative features that LIMS offers for medical schools. The admin section is super important for managing your medical school account with LIMS. It's the hub for managing user roles and access. We also have a unique feature, called attributes, which can help you categorize different data points. Plus, using the admin panel makes it easy to import data in bulk for students, courses, assessments, and more. And don't worry about the transition from your existing infrastructure to LIMS, our innovative migration tools make it seamless. So, within the LIMS admin panel, you'll find a bunch of really useful tools that can make your setup experience much more straightforward. Let's break down each of them for you. First up, we have users. This tool gives you a list of all the authorized people to log into the system. They can be given different roles like super admin, course coordinators, instructors, and students, and you can create any number of additional roles if you need to. Next, there's the Advisor tool, which lets you quickly find and chat with users who are designated for chat-based roles. And don't worry, all those conversations are kept totally private and secure. Then, we have Permissions and Roles, which lets you see a list of active and inactive roles. You can click on any role to see a detailed page listing all the users in that role and even create new roles right from here. Manage Attributes is another tool you will find that lets you use predefined categories and subcategories to categorize features like users, courses, and assessments. You can also add new attributes based on your requirements by filling out some basic details. If you need to import assessment data from external sources, you'll want to check out Manage ETL Configs. This will help you establish a defined structure for your new data. And speaking of assessment data, there's also Manage Assessment Configs, which helps you match your external assessment data with our system's labels. If you're importing student entries from a third-party source, you can use Merge Students to choose which data to use in case of duplicates. Bulk Upload is another handy tool that lets you upload all your data, excluding assessment data in one go using the JSON format. Finally, there's ETL Results, which keeps an audit log of all your data uploads and lets you know which tasks succeeded and which didn't. It's a great way to keep track of how things are going.